Hello, good morning mga guys. For this video, ating i-maintain muna yung cleanliness o yung kalinisan ng ating washing machine kasi not all the time naman kasi nililinis ko ito. So, how I clean our washing machine, Hover brand. Yeah, this is the brand. Before I was upload ng how to clean the Samsung automatic washing machine. So today, ito is normal lang siyang washing machine na wala siyang automatic pero wala siyang bukasan dito ng mga yung drainage na hindi ko mabuksan. So ito siyang madumi siya guys. Sa Kuwaiti. Ayan o, kailangan ko siyang linisin. Then, kailangan tanggalin yan. And then, yung ito is, tanggalin ko din. Wait. Actually guys, sira na yung aming washing machine. Then, kailangan lang natin low battery. Kailangan lang natin tanggalin ito dito. At linisin. Ang kanyan. Oh, see? See that one, guys? I need to clean both in the sink. And then, so, ito yung dumi niya. So, kailangan natin i-brush. Ayan. Dumi, no? Oh, kailangan yan. Every now and then, nililinis ko naman siya, pero hindi everyday. You see? So, I need a scrub to remove this one. I think last 2 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, I think I did this. Need to scrub. And then, this one. I have a sponge. Where's my sponge? I have a sponge now, so I need to meron pa yan sa loob. Need to clean the inner side. Grabe dumi, no? Ayan. Kus. So, hindi talaga siya maabot doon. Gamitin natin ng scrub. Hindi siya makuha, mga guys. See, ang hirap, no? Ayan. So, yan na. Malinis na, guys, oh. Dito na tayo ngayon sa labas. Sa labas. Scrub lang natin. Yan na. Wala na nga tong lock. Naputol na yung kanyang lock. And then, this part. Scrub lang din natin para matanggal yung mga molds dyan na namuo-muo. And then, lalo na dito. Yan ang ingatan natin. Ayan na, hindi naman siya madami kasi nga, dito pala nakatago yung mga lahas. May na-washing ako dito nakaraang na-washing ko nakaraang necklace na putol. Puti ka mo, hindi gold. Kung gold pa yon, ay di wala na. Gold, nawala, nasayang. Diba? Ayan, hindi naman siya madumi. As in, yeah, malinis. Ayan. And then, ano yan? Scrub lang natin. Punch. Then, banlawan natin yan mamaya. Isasalang. Uy, kaya naka-on yan kasi, oh, naka-on. Need to zero that no electricity. Ayan. And then, this part na mahirap. Yan na, this part on the gloss. Ayan. Ito yung ito yung delicate part. Oh, delicate ha. Ito, scrub lang natin. Scrub lang, guys. Yes. So, scrub lang ng sponge. Rub around. And like this. So, it's clean it, Winnie, na. And then, a little wipes. O, diba, reusable yung aking pang-wipes. Kasi para shiny. Need to be shiny, no? Yeah, and then outside. Oy. Diba? Yeah. Wow. Shiny na. Ha? Ito naman. And then this part, I keep it this part kasi yeah, like that. Okay. Time to clean this. Time to scrub this one. Time to return this one inside there. So, ito yung pinagka mahirap din na part to clean it. Because in this side, stuck all the dirt or the molds here. And so hard to remove or clean it. Kasi there's a lines or something like this. So, you need to remove this one also. Put it back. Like this. This one, and this one. Yeah, English spokening. Yes, like that. Return. And then we need to put some detergent to, ouch. Yes, detergent to wash. And, oh yeah. Natin ang ating machine. So, shining armor. Oh, shiny na siya. And then this part, we need to clean it. So, sasalang natin for a minute just to remove the dirt. Very simple, guys. Gamitin lang natin siya muna ng normal wash para mahugasan talaga yung mga dirty dyan at bumaba doon sa drainage. So, simple lang. Ayan. Ayan na. That's it! So nice and clean. Ay, sorry. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Ayan na siya. May water na.